What's up, y'all? It's Dakota G. Today we got a really special one. We're gonna be breaking down 10 Days in Atlanta by Cody Ray and Dre TL.
I spent 10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far.
You might recognize both of these guys from Netflix's Rhythm and Flow Season 2. The track is produced by my man Jay Pats. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna play you the instrumental mix, and this right here is pretty much raw. Only thing there is gain staging. I just got everything balanced a bit, but I'm gonna play it for you, and we're gonna start on the kick. So I'm gonna play the kick right now with the rest of the song. All right, cool. So some things that I was hearing was I just wanted to get a little bit more of that punch. And so I boosted a bit of 1K. From there, I wanted to just push the transients a little bit more. So we got the Transient Designer by SPL, just kind of boosting that attack a little bit. And then from there, I'm doing a little bit of clipping with the gold clip. And the name of the game is always inches to gain. You know, you want to just get everything working together, and you want to try to gain as much overall volume as you can. So I'm going to play you what that kick sounds like with those adjustments.